Hello everyone, welcome to you my YouTube channel VB Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get the updated videos. So guys, in this video we will talk about the error handler, right? How to handle the error if we occurs in a VBA code, right? So guys, we have a two method to handle the error. First one is on error resume next, and second one is on error go to a label. So guys, first I'll cover the on error resume next with the help of one example, right? So for this I'm writing a program, right? So first I'm declaring a SST variable type of worksheet, right? And also declaring a one variable type of last row to calculate the how many rows we have filled on data, right? Type of long, right? So now I'm setting a worksheet set SST equal to this workbook dot sheet and sheet3. We have the data in sheet3, right? Now I'm calculating the how many rows we have filled with the data, right? So for this SST dot range, right, 1000, right? I'm using just and Excel up, right, dot row. With the help of this I have find that how many rows we have filled in a data, right? So now I'm applying a for loop, that is for I equal to 1 to last row, right? And I'm performing a one just a task here, that is if I'm just if SST dot cells, right? I'm just performing a one task cells I dot 2 into 2 greater than 1000, then what? Then I just need to print the value in the immediate window, that is debug dot print, right, SST dot cells I2, right? And now I'm ending the loop here, condition here, that is and if, and here the next, right? So guys, for this I'm just mentioning the here, I'm just mentioning the text value here, I'm entering the text value here. So now you can see that when I'm just compiling the error, you can see it will throw an error, that is type mismatch error, right? So here what is happened, it's calculating the number into 2, but it not calculate the string into 2, so it's throw an error, that is type mismatch. So how to handle this runtime error with the help? So we have a two method to handle this type of error in our code. So first one we have, that is on error resume next. So in the code I just write the on error resume next. So when I using on error resume next, so what will happen, it just it's ignore the error value and just go ahead, right? So I'm executing the code, and now you can see the output. When the error occurs in the code, so it just ignore that line and just go to the next line, right? It simply ignore this line and go to this line and just print it, right? right guys? Now you can see I'm changing the condition here, right? Now we have another method, that is on error go to a label, right? So with the help of on error go to label, we can easily, just we can easily to handle the codes and understand that where the error has occurred, right? And how to, just correct that error. So this is the main method, that is on error go to a label, that is ABC. All right. So when the error occurs, I just want to identify that error and correct that error. So just simple message box, I just identify that what is the error. Message box error dot description, right? And if I want to, just if I want to know that where is the error occurred, so for this I'm just entering the cell number, cell address as well. So for this ssd dot cells dot I to dot address, right? So whenever the error has occurred, just control automatically goes to this line and just print the error as well as the cell number, right? So now I'm going to execute the code, right? So now you can see I'm just debugging the code, right? Sorry guys, I forgot to mention the on error go to, sorry, just here. Now you can see that I'm executing the again. Now you can see in this line error has occurred, so control goes automatically to this line, right? So now what will happen, it's occurred, it's print the error. What is the error? That is type mismatch error, and also print the cell in which cell we have occurred the error. So in B1 cell we have the error, that is so once we have identified the error name and just the address, so we simply go to this line, right, and correct this, right? Now you can see, now I'm executing the program, it's executed, right? It's print the whole line here without any error, right? So guys, that's it for today, and that's it for just error handling. So guys, if you have any concern, any queries in the error handling, so please write your comment in the comment box. I'll get back to you on that. So thanks guys, thanks for the watching.